Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c : and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command, type dir, then simply hit enter. Type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command, type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command, cd space c : /. Now type this command, cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type bcd edit space /export space c : /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Type attrib c : /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type run space c : \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.